Best trending Christmas designs for Etsy print on demand. Sell them now. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on the best trending Christmas designs for Etsy that you should check out right now if you run a print on demand. So let's get started. It's time for Christmas and everybody is looking for gifts and different products online. And in this season, the print on demand business is on high because what happens is a lot of people are looking for custom sweaters, custom cards, and different designs. Well, if you run a print on demand, then this is the one of the times that your business is actually blooming. How we can find these trending designs that will sell during this season. So that's what we will cover today, and that's what I will show you. I will be using Etsy.com, which is an amazing platform, a marketplace where we can buy different products. As a seller, you can create your own store and sell your print on demand too. Here we can actually find a lot of products related to different events and occasions. So I'll show you the trending products right here on Etsy for print on demand related to Christmas. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First of all, the first design that you should check out is going to be for the Christmas sweaters or shirts. So that's what I'm gonna go for. All right, so here we have Christmas sweaters and shirts that we can design. So you can see all of the products, and you will be able to find like a small tag right here at the bottom which says popular now, because right now the businesses are actually starting to create these designs so that they can sell them. You can see this one is popular now too. What are these designs? You can see with shirts, the designs that are actually doing pretty good are the ones with some text, and the text is like Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas, stuff like this. So what you can do is you can actually create a t-shirt with this design. You can see right here with Merry Christmas and like a minimum design, and then the color is black. A lot of people love black. You can also create these for in red, in gray, different designs. Of course, you will not copy someone else's design, but this is like an inspiration for you guys to kind of like go for a design with the text Merry Christmas. A lot of people really like that, minimum design, but it looks really nice. And you can sell this design for these kind of shirts for $12, $15, or $20. This one as well, again, you can see Merry Bright, it says, and it's also a really good seller. It's a star seller product. It's a sweater with Merry Bright, again, a text and with some of the designs within the text. Here, you can sell it for like $15, $20, and it has 10,000 reviews. If I scroll down a little bit, then we have this one right here. You can see this is a pretty cool design, Christmassy design. You can add Christmas ornaments on your t-shirts. So this is related to coffee. You can see Christmas coffee sweater, sweatshirt, and you will be able, you can design something like this. You can check out the reviews. The reviews are pretty good too. So you can create something like this. Instead of going for a text, you can go for different ornaments and different things related to Christmas. Even if it's a coffee, you can make it Christmassy by adding different, things to it. Then moving on, we have some family shirts. These are also really good for print on demand, and you can sell a lot of product at one time. What happens is this is actually a custom designs that you will create a print on demand where you create t-shirts for the whole family with their name. You can see right here. This is really good, and it has 2,000 reviews. Moving on, if I scroll down a little bit, again, we have the text Merry Christmas, you can see. Then again, we have Christmas family t-shirts, 7,000 reviews. Funny designs also do pretty well when it comes to print on demand because people like to, prank each other and like gift each other some of the, funny stuff. So we have again this one. This one looks really cool. Some custom designs. So you can create these kind of designs for the Christmas shirts. You have an idea that what you should go for. Take inspiration from Etsy. These are some of the trending designs, print on demand designs for Christmas shirts. Moving on, we have the Christmas socks. For the socks, again, when it comes to the print on demand, I would say the socks actually are one of the things that do pretty well in this season. You can see we have print on demand, like a name, a full written name. Then we have like different name tags for the different socks. Again, for the designs, you can see the name ones are actually doing pretty well when it comes to the socks. Like a simple name right here at the top of your socks, and then you can create a design. So if you are into this business, then this is the design you should go for. You can see like a simple sock with a design, and then you can write their name at the top. You can see even for your parents, so your people will be just send you their name, and you can create a print on demand for them with their name. So these are the socks designs available on Etsy. You can sell a socks for like even for $20. This one you can see, this one is $21, $20, $10. Then we have $11, $12. So you can create these designs, print on demand, and sell them on Etsy. Now, let's go ahead and check out some Christmas gifts designs, some of the gifts that you can get customized and people will actually give you a print on demand, what kind of product you can go for, and what are the designs that you can offer. So you can see right now, these all products are popular. You can see popular now, popular now. What is popular, you can see some of the custom ornaments for the whole family. Personalized Christmas family ornaments. So you can create some ornaments with names. So this is what you can go for. Then we have this right here. We have some keychains with some songs, like their personalized album keyring. Moving on, if I scroll down, then we have socks again as a gift, as I showed you. Then we have some glasses and mugs that we can design. For this, again, you can go for the custom names, and then we can add some of the candies right here. Then we can add some cookie designs. We can add some reindeers and a Santa Claus. So this is how it looks. We have some hats as well. Then we have bags. The red color and the green color does pretty well in Christmas products, or even white nowadays, because a lot of people want to go for like a little elegant thing, and they want to, just keep everything simple, so they kind of like go for white. These are the colors that you can choose. Definitely, you can see we have like a skin color, a white, and the red and green. These colors actually do pretty well if you want to give something to your girlfriend, or like a her gift, if you're looking, jewelry. So you can just check out these boxes right here. Then we have our Christmas ornaments. So you can see with the ornaments, again, we have all of these designs. These ones right here, you can see this is a name with like snowball right here. It looks really good. You can see these products are actually doing pretty good when it comes to the ornaments. You can see a lot of sellers are selling the kind of like the same thing, but you can customize a little bit. You can see print on demand. For the ornaments, I think in this year, these are the ornaments that are trending. You can see like the one with the names. These look really, really good. So you can order now on Etsy, or if you are a seller, then you should definitely check that what ornaments are doing well. You can see this ornament right here too, like a custom design for the family. You can see personalized family ceramic, right here, this ornament, and you can see this is $27. You can sell it for $30, $27, $25, and you will do pretty good. So you can actually check for different products. Whatever product you're dealing in, just go to Etsy and search for it, and you will be able to find the product ideas, the different products that are trending and people are buying. How we know that people are actually buying these? You can actually check the reviews. This one has 12,000 reviews, like 12,000 people bought this product. We have 1,000 reviews, 20,000 reviews, 4,000 reviews, 16,000 reviews. So these are actually the products that people love to buy, and they're buying from Etsy. So, your product can be this too, that like 20,000 orders, 16,000 orders for this season. I think it's pretty good, and you will be able to actually run a successful business online and run a successful print on demand by checking out all of these trendy products on Etsy. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.